Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Clifford Endo, and today we're gonna make stretchable ice cream, also known as Dundurum or Booza. So stretchy ice cream, it's been popping up lately. There's an additive in this ice cream that makes it stretchy. It has a little bit more of a chew in the texture, but you can actually pull it out. It stretches, which is kind of amazing. Now, to do this traditionally, you usually need an ingredient called celeb. It's almost impossible to get in the United States. So, how do we do this when we don't have celeb? First plan of action, I need to double check the texture and to see what we're looking for so I know what to try to hit. And that is so stretchy. It's worked a lot. We gotta get something that has a little bit of tack. I have two solutions that could possibly work. One, with an additive called guar gum. The second, with a little household item, potatoes. I know what you're gonna say, gross, 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 but you're not gonna be able to taste it in the ice cream. We're just using it for the stretchy components. Many years ago, when I was working for Dave Arnold, we once threw a bunch of potatoes in ice cream base and it came out stretchy. Let's try it. Let's take around 225 grams of potato and we're gonna add that to about a quart of ice cream base. I know you guys at home are like, my God, this guy is about to put potatoes in the ice cream. It's not gonna affect the flavor that much. I hope not. We'll test it. So I have the ice cream base. I'm gonna put it in. I have about a quart of it. We're just gonna blend this together. Let it go for a minute. You know, potatoes are kind of grainy, so we're gonna blend this as much as possible to smooth them out. Still looks like ice cream base. Let's take a peek. It got a lot thicker. It's holding the nappe, as we say. It smells a little like potatoes. Tastes like ice cream. We're gonna set this aside, we're gonna cool it down, and then we're gonna spin it and see if we have stretchy ice cream. Standard ice cream maker, hopefully it works. So if this wackadoo version does not work, I have my guar gum backup that I'm almost sure will 100% out of 180% work. This one's like 50-50. Moment of truth, this is the potatoes. No. Shoot. It's stretchier. Dang, but it doesn't stretch. And even if we put this in the freezer, it's not gonna get any better than it's like that, just the texture's not there. Could be multitudes of factors. The potatoes had moisture in them. Dang, I wanted this to work with potatoes. It's almost there. We knew this was 50-50. It didn't work out. That's why I had the backup, the guar gum. On that ice cream base, I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of guar gum, right? The key to when you're using any kind of hydrocolloid is a combination of heat and moisture. So here's our moisture. We're gonna put it in our bags and we're gonna get the heat. Drop it in a bath at 180 degrees, 17 minutes, ice cream base. All right, so it's been 17 minutes. We got our base right here, and look at that. It's super gelatinous. That guar gum has completely activated just because we gave it the time and the heat. And when you pull it out of here, it's gonna look like pudding. You ready? Now I got an ice bath, and I'm just gonna mix it to cool it down rapidly because I don't want to put this into my ice cream maker hot. But look at that. Stretchy ice cream, champion of the sun. I mean, if that's not telling you that we're about to get some stretchy ice cream, I don't know what is. The key to making the stretchy ice cream is about getting your base gelatinous like this. If I'm thinking about this all correctly, when we add in the ice cream machine, it's just gonna keep that texture. And now we're gonna add this to the ice cream machine. We're gonna try to mimic a tradition that's been around for hundreds of years by guesswork. And if that doesn't sum up the internet, I don't know what does. Into the machine! God, this better work. Let's do it. All right. moment of truth. It looks good. Ugh. Let's see if we have a stretchy ice cream. I would say that is actual stretchy ice cream. Stretches. Feels like dough. Remember what I said it was gonna be like dough? This, ladies and gentlemen, is stretchy ice cream. Still tastes like ice cream. It's a little bit more tacky. It has a little bit of a different texture, but it still melts in your mouth. It is super fun. I mean, look at that. Sometimes we win. To see more videos like this, where we try to make stuff off the internet, click here. It's open, sides open. Omu rice.